Okay, we're going to look at 3.6 and how to solve polynomial equalities. We've learned how to solve polynomial equations using factoring, quadratic formula, different methods. But now how do we do it if it's not equal, if it's less than, greater than, or something to that effect? Okay? First, you set the inequality equal to 0. I say equal to, it's not going to technically be equal to, it's going to be greater than equal to, less than equal to, but just think of it as equal to right now, okay? And then you're going to solve it, and those numbers that you find when you solve it are your critical values. You're going to locate those values on a number line, graph your equation. If your inequality is less than or less than equal to, you want the areas below the number line. Greater than equal to, you want the areas above. Okay? So first, I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides to make this inequality equal to 0. Okay? I'm going to work this as if it was equal to, because I don't care right now that it's greater than. I'm just solving. Okay? So 2 times 15 is 30. So the factors of 30, whose difference is 1, would be 5 times 6. Because I want a positive 1, my 6 is positive, my 5 is negative. So I rewrite my equation as 2x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 15 equals 0. Group. My first two have an x in common and leave me with 2x minus 5. My second two have a 3 in common and leave me with 2x minus 5. Now I have a 2x minus 5 in common, and I'm left with x plus 3, and that equals 0. Set each one equal to 0 and solve for x. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides of the 2x plus minus 5. So 2x equals 5. Divide by 2, and x equals 5 over 2. Subtracting 3 from both sides over here, I get x equals negative 3. So on the number line, I know that at 5 over 2 and at negative 3, and negative 3 has to come before 5 over 2, I'm going to cross that number line. Okay? I'm going to go out here to like the Desmos graphing calculator online. You guys should have your calculator. And I'm going to punch in the function and graph it so that you can see it. Okay? So it's x squared nope. I didn't want photos. I wanted my PowerPoint. 2x squared plus x minus 15. Two x squared minus x minus 15. Plus x minus 15. Okay. Hang hang on a second. Let me get those out of there. So there's my graph. If you look at your graph, okay, you can see right here, I crossed at my -3. And you can see right here, I crossed at my 2.5. So I can see the parabola goes down and then up. So the parabola goes down and then up. Okay. Because my inequality is greater than means I want the areas of the graph above. So the graph is above here and above here. So I want everything from -infinity to -3, and it gets a parenthesis because it's not equal to, and 5/2 to +infinity.